Right, so this is a little example of what we're doing with our Pix4D system and drone model flying at the Green Island landfill. We have, as you see here, we've got surveys from July 2018, July 2019, August 2019, and September 2019. We're taking them monthly at the moment until we get a good handle on what's going on. This whole model is essentially a fully integrated 3D model. This isn't actually a mesh surface. If you get close enough in, you'll start to see the individual points, and there are quite a few. The resolution improves the longer that you wait on a particular point. But this is a good example of the ways that we can very, very quickly use this tool to create some quite interesting pieces of data. So you can draw polygons around areas of interest and get some metrics from them. Here we have some stockpiles of materials that are going to be sold on out of the site, and other materials that are going to be reused within the site as either daily cover or other materials to cover landfill operations. Um, what we can't see here is that these have actually been calculated already as you can see, as volumes. So if we zoom in, you can see that this particular volume at the back is about 195 cubic meters. There is actually an accuracy on these as well, which I quite like. When you interrogate your measurement, it will tell you just how confident it is in terms of error. In this particular instance, it looks like it's about 5% error, which I think is quite good. Um, but a nice metric, essentially, that you can see what this looks like. You can get some very, very quick visuals to show what the sites are, and you can provide this data very, very quickly to some members of the team. Um, this whole website is accessible not just by us, but it's accessible by the DCC and by the waste management people who operate the landfill center as well. Yep, it's definitely helping us get an integrated data set with the client.